Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, before we even start here, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, in 30 minutes. So let's start now. As you see, guys, here, what happened today? The market is showing to us here like there is no more power to push down in that level here. What that indicating? It doesn't indicate nothing. Maybe the market will reverse from here, but till now we don't got any sign here indicating the market is going to reverse. That's it. That's what we been waiting all along when we be in here. People they be in with us. If you are just came now, also we be in here. We got here an inside bar like that. When it's getting broke here in that level, we enter short. That for people they trading with margin. If you trading with spot over here, I told people they enter with me to sell. That's it. That's what me I told them. Because we don't know. Maybe it's going to fall down till here, till the 200 moving average. Maybe it's going to fall down more and to break that 15k. We don't know exactly where is the bottom. And no one know. No one in this planet know. Stop believing people they telling you that want just a correction, that want blah 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 blah. No one know exactly where it's going to go. Us we analyzing day by day. People they been with us, they know all those things. And here, what we got here in that level here. Let me show you what we got there. By the way, the one we're going to use it today, but now let's see in that one here. What we got here, that trend line here is getting broke here. The market it go back to test it, to test that trend line here. Again, yes or no? Now, either from here, the market it will go back and break the last high. And that one, even that one, it's still a scenario. Even that one here, it's still possible. But if you go into the weekly, you're going to find the 50 moving average. It's closing below the 200 moving average. Yes, the weekly candle hasn't finished. But if you go in there, you're going to find it. Let me show you. Look here, guys. You see it or not? Look. Here, what's happening? That was me being telling you all along. I told you if we haven't breaking here the 200 moving average, there is nothing there. And people they been with us with touching the 50 moving average in the monthly. Because over here, look at it. Look at it. Here, if tomorrow candle close like that, we're going to break down. And that never happened in the history of Bitcoin. It never ever happened. The 50 moving average cross below the 200. Now, what should we do here? Don't have nothing to do. We just need to wait on what's going to happen in the coming days. That's it. Because now the market is getting a little bit confused. Look here in the daily, the one it's breaking up. Yes or no? The 50 moving average is breaking above the 200. But in the weekly, we are very close to close below. So if we see tomorrow or Sunday the market going up, that it will not indicate in the market it will fall down. Also, what should we do now? People they been with me. Also, we enter short because of that inside bar here, which is getting broke here. Yes or no? That's a part of trading. If the market came up and breaking here, in that level here, what should we do? We close in that short, we enter from here, and we will open a long from here. That's it, because that one here is the last low, guys. You need to remember those things I'm telling you very, 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 very well. I think picture is too clear here. Now, let's go into the options to make that 2 lines. Because if you remember what we also used to have in the last Friday, we used to have here at 25k, and we used to have another one here at 22k. So those people here at 22k, all of them, they have signed. All of them, they buy the Bitcoin here at 22k. So for them, they used to say the Bitcoin at 22k is very cheap for them to buy it from there. Now those people we used to have here, they buying the Bitcoin now. That's why you see that candle here, it couldn't break that trend line here. Now let's see if we are going to go back up or no. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into see the options for next week. What the view for professional people, where they sawing Bitcoin it will go. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. As you see here, that the platform we're using to know where they are the options. So as you see here, also we started from here. That one here, is it inside the money? 21,500. You're going to find a lot of calls and pots here. A majority of them, they saying here is going to fall down below 21,500. We don't know because that one is too dangerous for anyone to put a pot there. But that is up to them. Then we came here, over here, 21k. Even here, as you see here, let me show you here. The pots is 1.01k Bitcoin. And the calls, they are here, 1.2. So they are very close to each other. not that much. I think picture is too clear here. It's going more. Pots here, 21k. Over here, 2500. Even here, the calls, they are only 2 Bitcoins. And the pots, they are 449 Bitcoin. But also, we don't want to spend any call. We want it to be 0. Let's see it here. Is it here? Look with me here. In that level where we are here. Is it at 20k? As you see it here, 20k. The view of those people, the Bitcoin, it will not break. Or if it falls down to 20k, then they are going to buy. The volume here, look at it. How much is it? 753 Bitcoin. The calls is 0. Picture is too clear here. So what else we said here? 20k. So that one for the pot. Now let's see in for the calls where they are. The calls. Now also we start from here. We came here to that level here, 22k. Over here, there is calls and pots. Here, 22,500. Even here, there is pots and calls. We go here, over here at 23k. There is calls and the pots, they are 5. So let's go in more further. Over here, 1. Over here, 24k. Look at it here, 24k. Over here, as you see the calls, 371 Bitcoin. The pot is only 0.1 Bitcoin. That means there is not too much. So even that one is a nice level. Let's go back now to the chart. What else we said? 20k and 24k. So let's go in there and do it together. As every week, that's what else we're doing. Here we are. We came to that one and we're doing here like that. As you see it, 24k. Is it here in the top of that level? And what else we said down? We said 20k like that. And as you see it. So the view for those people, what is it? The Bitcoin, if it came here, then they are going to sell here at 24k. And if it fall down here all the next week at 20k, then they are going to buy. That's it. That, how is it the pots and the calls? Those ones here, the cover calls, and those ones here, the selling pots. Those ones here, the selling cover call because then they got Bitcoin, they buy it from down. And those ones here, people they haven't buy Bitcoin. If it fall down here at 20k, then they are going to buy it. If it's not, then they are going to collect in premium. If the Bitcoin stay in here, then they are going to collect in premium. That's how it's working, the options. Everything is too clear here. Now, let's go into our indicator, what it's saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, we touch here the trend line here, the daily trend line. Even in the last video, that's what me I show you. Now here, there is one of two. Either from here, we're going to go back up and we're breaking that last high, which is here. Or from that level where we are, it's going to fall down till the oversold area. And also, we're going to buy again from the oversold area. That's what also we're doing every time. When it touching the oversold area, also we buying. That's it. We don't care where it's going. Even if it's go to 0, also we buying when it touch the oversold area. And here at the overbought area, we started taking some of the profit. That's what me have been teaching people. They are with me for some time now. Now, either from here is going to be a very good chance for the market to reverse, or from here is going to fall down here and it's going to change from the bull's control to the bear's control. That's it. That's how is it the market working. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Here in the 4 hours, what's happening? People they been with us. What's happening here? We said here, we used to have here a mega fall like that. It came that big candle here. It's break it. Then also we enter short. Yes or no? It came here. It tried to show here a rejection at the 200 moving average. But now it's break it down. Yes or no? Shall we enter long now? Me zoom it like that. For picture to get more clear to you. Shall we enter now long? I'm asking you, yes. And you can even go to our Telegram channel and discuss with us like that. Or you can even write it down in a comment and also we're going to reply you. Shall we buy now? No, my friend. There is no buying. Also we enter short from the candle here. Now here it's showing a small rejection. Why? Because also here we are in the top of that supply and demand zone here. Look at it. That one here. That one was getting broke. Now it's become like a support. It's a resistance getting broke. Now it's become like a support. It might you're going to see another correction like that. Or maybe from here it's going to fall down because now it's breaking the 200 moving average. Yes, Saturday and Sunday the market is at flat. But Monday we're going to see what's going to happen. Also we enter short and we still waiting till the market give us another price action for us to go out. That's it. Here for you to enter long. Now what shall you do? Look with me what I've done. I came to that peak, that one, and and a drop there, a trend line. If the market came and break in here again, yes, we can enter long again here as you see it. We can enter long if the market came and break in there. Why should we enter long there when us we just break in here? That megaphone us we used to talking about like that. Look at it. Us we just break it here, then us we enter short and us we been waiting for that one. Why should us we enter long if the market came and then like that? The market came and break in here that trend line. What should us we enter long? Because the market over here is going to give you like that. Look with me here, like a fake out of that one of the daily us we been waiting for long. It's going to give you here like a fake out. Then the market will go back up and break in here. That's why me I told if it came and break in here, you enter long. Now the take profit for that megaphone also we enter short based on where it need to be, because I need to show you even where is the take profit, the stop loss. Yesterday I told people they being follow me to put it here in the top of that pick. I told them to put it at 23k and some numbers. The megaphone, is it like that? Yes or no? That one we came like that and we will do in the same line here. The take profit for that one it needs to be down here. You see it or no? Here in the lower of those levels here. When it came down here, try to protect yourself, not to close everything. Try to protect yourself. Then also we will see if the market from here is going to give us another price action here, indicating the market will go up or is going to fall down again to that 15k. Also we don't care where it's going. Also it give us here a price action. We enter short. That's it. Everything is too clear. And now me I give you all the scenarios. If it came like that and break in here, you close that long and you open a short. That's it. If the market came and do it like that and break in here, what should you do? You close that short if it came and breaking the trend line and you open a long. If it's not, we stay falling down like that. Also we don't care. Here it give us a new price action. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying today. So let's go in there. Here we are in our indicator and we still in the 4 hour. People they been with us what else we used to say here. Where else we told you we got here a divergence, guys. We tell it to you here as you see it. We're drawing here that trend line here and we told you we been waiting a price action. The price action it came when it gave us here that megaphone it's breaking. Now us we enter short. That one here it touching here the oversold area. Should we buy? No, my friend, we need a price action telling us we need to buy. That's it. That's how us we trading. Without a price action there is no buying, no selling. Because those ones they are just oscillators and they're being proven that to you thousands of times. So now what we got here in our indicator, us we are in a downtrend as you see it every time. You used to touch it and us we are falling. Now it came here, it touching the oversold area. Yes or no? Now either from here is going to come back to touch the trend line like that, then after that to fall down again, or another scenario from here is going to fall down more to the oversold area if it came big momentum and big power like how it happened here when we started going up till 23k. Told you buy now. If you are a scalper maybe from here till here, but for swing trading no. Swing trading us now we are in the short and I've been telling you that over here the bulls they controlling, over here the bears they controlling. So us technically us now we are in a downtrend. Everything very simple, guys. You don't need to follow some people they try to mislead you. They telling you is blah 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 blah. Everything is in front of you now. Now let's go into our other indicator what it's saying. Here it is our indicator. That way me I told you those ones they are just oscillators, guys. Look at it. It entered to the overbought area from that level. Look till where it went out. Till here. Yes or no? Now us here we enter to the overbought area. Should we buy now? No, of course not. We need a price action here indicating for us the market is going to reverse. And the only price action you got there, that one. That trend line here. If it's getting broke, yes you can enter long because over there what you got. Look at this here. You got a down channel. Maybe that one is going to come to touch it here down and is going to bring for you the take profit. That's it. Because that one you are in a very stronger level here. Look at it here. That way is it stuck here. So it need to fall down more. Also we enter short. We put a stop loss here. Put a stop loss here. And we still waiting where is the market going. We don't care what's going to happen. Like the last time we enter from here till here. Same thing. Now what should we do? It's going back now to the topic. Our indicator is enter here to the oversold area. Yes or no? That's the first condition. Second condition, what is it? You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. You are in it again. Third thing, what is it? You need a price action. We got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse over here? No, we don't got nothing. The only thing we got there is that trend line here, that one. If that one came and breaking that trend line, yes, it's going to reverse. But now there is nothing yet. So us here technically we're still in a downtrend. That's it. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, people to be in with us. Where did me? I told you to enter short. From here. From here. Exactly. I told you to enter short. Yeah, remember it very well. When it came here, I'm breaking that last low here. That one here, I told you to enter short. So let's say you enter from that candle here, from that one. Look till where now? How many percentage you make till now? Let's calculate it together. Till now you making 3%. No matter how much is it the order of you. Till now, here you make 3% as you see it. And it take only 72 bars, 1 day and 12 hours. That's the power of our analysis, guy. Now, here in that level where we are, what should you do here? In that level where we are, look with me. Here, very careful what I'm going to do. We came here and we do it like that. What we're connecting? That peak here, that one here, and that one here. Yes or no? If that one came here to that trend line and break it, first we're going to enter long till the 200 moving average. If it's not, what the market is going to do for us? If the market came here and touching the trend line here and showing to us there is no breaking, us we're going to enter short again, because now here over here, look at it, the market tried to give us here a small channel, and as you see it, we've been falling down very sharply. And over here, what's happening? The market is trying to slow now. Yes or no? Look at it, it's been falling sharp, but over here it's trying to slow now. It's trying to get flat here. Yes or no? Why that? Why that's happening here? Let me show you why. Because of that daily trend line us we got here. You know it or no? People, they don't want to gamble, to push, to break that one down, because they know over here in that level there is a lot of people they waiting to buy. That's why you see it here. The momentum is getting slower there. Over here now what we got? A small channel like that. Look at it. And also we will still waiting it. If that one came and breaking here, the top of that channel here, what shall we do? We enter long, my friend. Where it needs to be the take profit of us? Here, in the trend line here. That one here. Over here, we're taking profit and we're protecting ourselves. Or we're protecting ourselves, or we're taking some of the profit, because that's scalping and you need to know what you're doing. Everything is too clear. So what me I told you? You see it here, that small channel down here. If the market came and breaking here, the top of that channel here, you enter long till here, till that downtrend, also withdrawing from here and here and here. Over here, you try to protect yourself. You don't know what's going to happen. Either we're going to break it up and we're going to go higher, or we're going to go till the 200 moving average. No one know exactly where is the market and what is going to do. Everything is too clear, guys. So you need to wait until Monday or Sunday, then you make a decision. Either we're going to break here, and also we're going to enter from here till just here to that level here. Then also over here, we're going to see if we're going to find the opportunity to enter short again or no. Or it's going to break for us and it's going to go more higher. Even that one is a scenario and it's possible. It's our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, as you see it, as it here at the oversold area. Look at it from where it enters to the oversold area, from here till down here. Should now we enter long? No, my friend, there is no long yet. The only way to enter long, if it came and breaking here, the top of that small trend line here, we enter long till here, till the top of that long downtrend here, as you see it here. Everything is very simple. For us to enter short, what should we do? Same thing. We're doing that channel here, as you see it like that. If that one came and couldn't break here and falling down and breaking the lower here, also we will enter short, because if it's breaking here, it's going to break for us even that long-term trend. That one, let me show it to you. That one here. If it came that one here and pushing down and breaking lower here, it's going to fall down more than that. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.